Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the brand new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So if you want to see me apply this and hear my thoughts and everything like that, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I post new content every single week about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, just a ton of different stuff, so you definitely don't want to miss out. All right, let's get into it. This is what the box looks like. It says 36-hour full blast mascara. I don't know about you, but I have never worn my mascara for 36 hours. Well, actually, I take that back. I probably did in college before I washed my makeup off before I went to bed, but I don't do that anymore. So I don't know why I would ever need 36 hours wear for my mascara, but either way, it'll last all day. This is what the inside packaging looks like. It's the same colors as the original Bad Gal Lash. I think the packaging is really fun. And then if you pull out the wand, this is what the wand looks like. The bristles are super teeny tiny. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte Maneater mascara bristles. The wand is tapered and it's actually really flexible. So I don't think I've ever had a mascara wand that is that flexible. This retails for $24. I'm gonna pull up the Ulta website so that we can read the claims. This says, Bad Gal Bang 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara creates massive volume without weighing down lashes. The gravity-defying formula contains aero particles, one of the lightest known materials derived from space technology. This innovative, intense pitch black mascara layers easily for bigger impact. Its custom big slim packed brush is designed to reach from root to tip and corner to corner of upper and lower lashes for big volume with 360 reach. So those are the claims. It's basically just supposed to make your lashes look amazing. So I'm gonna jump into me applying it right now and then we'll be back. All right, I'm going to apply this. I am going to do the same things I always do. First, I'm gonna start out by curling my lashes. I have a process that I always do when I am applying my mascara. So if you want to see how I do that, I will link that video up here in the cards and then also down below. So I'm just wiggling the wand back and forth, really getting it at the root, and then moving it out to the tips of my lashes. And I just want to make sure I'm coating every single lash. So that is one layer, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. That is one layer on each eye. I'm going to let it dry and then I will do my second layer. All right, let's go in with our second layer. I'm doing the same technique, but I'm not focusing as much at the roots because I made sure to get a really good coat at the roots the first time. So now I just really want to focus on building up the volume and the length and separating the lashes. So that is 2 coats on this eye and only 1 on this eye. The difference is insane. That is why I always do 2 coats of mascara, because you can just get such a more dramatic look if you do 2 coats. So I'm gonna do my second coat on this eye. This is super random, but I wanna know if anyone else uses both of their hands to apply mascara. Like I use my right hand for my right eye and my left hand for my left eye. So if I'm applying my mascara on my left eye, I put the wand in that hand. But I know a lot of people are comfortable only with one hand, so then on this hand, they're like going like this. So I'm interested. Let me know down below if there's anyone else who uses both hands. I think part of it is because I'm left-handed, but I learned how to do a lot of things with my right hand because the world is made for right-handed people. So I don't know if that's why I'm able to do this with my right hand too, but yeah. This is the result of 2 layers on my eyes. I think that it is such a dramatic look. My lashes look long and separated. The curl is staying. I think that they look really good. I'm not wearing any other eye makeup because I really wanted you to be able to see just the mascara. So I don't have eyeliner on or anything else. I'm just gonna look up and then look down so that you guys can really see the full effect. Okay, I hope that I got that. It's hard because I can't see. But anyway, I think that this mascara is insane. I really loved the Bad Gal Lash and the They're Real mascara. That's hard to say. But I didn't like the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit, and they hyped up the launch of that and I was so excited to try it, and then I just wasn't the biggest fan of it. So when this came out, I was kind of worried I wasn't gonna like it just because their last big launch I wasn't a fan of, but this one, oh my gosh, this is so good. And I really love the soft touch packaging. It reminds me of NARS packaging, and I just think that it's so cool. Yeah. So I love this. I would definitely try it out. I think that it made my lashes look so long and they're separated, but they still have volume. I think that's pretty hard to do just because when you get volume, a lot of times your lashes will look clumpy and they aren't separated, but I think that mine stayed pretty separated and they do look voluminous. So total win in my book. Definitely go and try this out. I think that it is definitely worth it. One thing I will say is that this does feel a little bit stiff. So I have mascaras that my lashes still feel very natural and fluffy, and this definitely doesn't have that. This feels stiff. I can't feel that it's stiff just like living life, but if I touch them, they feel more stiff than other mascaras. It doesn't bother me, but I just figured it was worth mentioning because I know there's some mascaras that will make your lashes still feel nice and fluffy and more real. If you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you know that I am a mascara junkie. I've done tons of videos on mascaras and different reviews. I did a battle of the mascaras and compared something like 21 mascaras, which I will link that up here and down below, and I will list all of my mascara reviews down below as well. But yeah, I think that this is a great mascara. I'm super excited about it. I think it was definitely worth the hype, and I think that you guys should try it out if you haven't. Let me know down below in the comments, number one, if you're gonna try this out, or what your favorite mascara is. I'm interested. I always love trying mascaras, especially if they're ones that I haven't tried before. So leave that down below in the comments. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it was helpful for you. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.